Hi, this is Angelina with Impeccabilities powered by Kaizink. Today I just wanted to show you how to check in an Inksoft order using the packing slip, the proof, and the products that were in the box. So what we received today, our first item is this OG10 size medium. So I'm going to find that on the packing slip. OG 101 black top medium, came in a quantity of 1. That's what we received in the box. And that is also what we're looking for on our proof here. So to verify that we do have the right product type, we're going to open up the shirt, unfold this tag, and look at the white part, OG 101. And again, we have size medium. So now that we've verified that against the packing slip and the product order type, we can check that off, put our initials, and do the same thing on our proof. After you've done that, you can go ahead and fold the garment, put it in a white box. And we're going to use a white box because this is a small order we're dealing with. And we're going to keep the proof with this box so that no matter what point we're in when we're checking stuff in, we know that this is the item that goes to this proof and order. Thank you.